The Yellowbird is a vibrant and tropical cocktail that combines citrus and rum flavors to create a refreshing, sunny drink reminiscent of the Caribbean. You will need the following ingredients: 1 ounce light rum, preferably a Caribbean white rum, 1 ounce Galliano, an herbal liqueur with vanilla and anise flavors, 1 ounce triple sec, orange-flavored liqueur for sweetness and citrus notes, 1 ounce fresh lime juice, adds a tangy and fresh citrus element, 1 ounce fresh orange juice, adds sweetness and a deeper citrus flavor, lime wheel or twist lime, for garnish. For equipment you will need cocktail shaker, jigger, strainer, ice cubes, martini or coupe glass. Here are the instructions. Fill the cocktail shaker with ice cubes to chill the drink. Pour light rum, Galliano, triple sec, lime juice, and orange juice into the shaker. Shake well until the mixture is thoroughly chilled, typically around 15 seconds. Strain the mixture into a chilled martini or coupe glass. Garnish with a lime wheel or twist on the rim of the glass. The Yellowbird cocktail gets its name from the famous Haitian song Yellowbird, Choukoune, which has been a beloved melody in Caribbean culture since the mid-20th century.